has been really our desire of the city of Tirana to have a collaboration with the city of Barcelona, as we consider very important the development that Barcelona do have regarding the European development. As Tirana seems to be facing a very challenging moment from the transition of 20 years coming from a communism period, and it seems that even urban development is a kind of challenge that has to be addressed. We started cooperation with the city of Barcelona, and since 1 year we had a cooperation agreement that was signed by both cities with the purpose to have collaboration as regards urban development, culture activities, and everything that we considered shared with the city, can be shared with the city of Tirana. So since this time, an exchange of experience between our specialists and the specialists of the city of Barcelona has been done. And recently we are working very hard to get one project, which in fact it will be designed together, architects of the city of Barcelona and architects of the city of Tirana, with the idea to have an intervention in one urban area of the city of Tirana. So thank you to the city of Barcelona that donated to the city of Tirana an amount of funds, and the idea is that exchange of both architects are going to have one development in a certain area of the city of Tirana, where of course even the logo of the city of Barcelona and valuation and assessment for that donation is going to be given. It is the first center that we are going to call community center, and the focus is going to be mostly the culture activities. And this is something that we'd like to have exchange of ideas of the specialists and experts of the city of Barcelona, that how we can involve different groups of society to be more active and to get more kind of participation in such activities of the city. I might call culture, but in general it will be more social cohesion to be reached to the level where different part of the citizens can get their participation in such activities. So there are two of them. One is called Metropolitan Culture Center, which is going to be more oriented in theater and different activities. And the other one is called TEN, which is teenager involvement, that are youth of the city that are going to get more activities in such centers. And we are considering that your experience in creating such culture activities and culture center with purpose to get more social cohesion, it's going to be really important even for the experience of Tirana. For us, now we are prompting in another level, let's say, of the development of such culture activities in the city, and I do hope that we are going to be successful with support of the city of Barcelona too.